This video is how to open and, more importantly, properly close the doors on a Precedent unit. The engine bay handle, first thing is you pull it out about 45 degrees and then you rotate it down 90 and then the door can be opened. Next, you need to reach around the left-hand door, lift the spring latch, and open it. When closing it, the spring latch needs to be fully engaged, and you just give it a push, and then make sure that it stays latched, because that secondary latch is important in case the right-hand door is not properly latched. This one could fly open and break without the secondary latch. On this unit, or on the right-hand door, when you rotate the handle, it lifts not only the primary latch but the secondary latch. Secondary latch is a spring latch, and on the bottom there is a roller latch, and there's another one like it on the top. For that to latch properly, the rollers need to engage against the striker plate at the bottom and the one you can't see at the top. So when you push it, you need to hold it in place, rotate the handle, and you can confirm that it's properly latched by just pulling a little bit at the bottom. And if it's tight, you're good. The side latches, or the side door latches on a Precedent unit, are easier. They're just simply a spring loaded, open it up, swing it open. These are conventional type latches, similar to an automotive door latch, but they do have some adjustments, and they can come out of adjustments if someone removed the doors for repairs. For example, the latches may be removed to replace the battery. So what you do is you simply slam it shut, and then you give it a tug at the bottom. Now in this case, this door is loose at the bottom, which means one of two things. We either didn't slam it hard enough, or the latch at the bottom here needs to be adjusted. So if you keep trying to shut it and it keeps coming loose, write that up and have your maintenance department adjust that latch. In this case, if we really slam it hard, it is good to go.